Hi, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new library. Its name is Explore. It's already installed in my R, and it is used to do exploratory data analysis. And in simple word, it means it will do descriptive statistics and making relevant graphs for your data file so that you can describe your data set. So first of all, I will load the library, load the function using the explore command, explore df. So I have already loaded the data file. So I have loaded the library somewhere here, explore, and then explore df. When you do it, it will open the library, and then I will show you the function itself. It's explore. It's developed by Ronald Kleiser, and it's a very recent library. It can do interactive data exploration. It can make a report. It can do a tree diagram for your data set. So this is its interface. So I will show you a brief interface here, then we'll go towards the library output. So I will come here. So this is the output window. I will make it full screen. So here you can see that you can target a discrete variable and then a variable. So what it will do show the continuous variable in terms of histograms, individual histogram overall and sector wise, the discrete outcome wise histograms, and then its descriptive stats briefly. You can do it other way around by selecting some other variable, or select a variable here and discrete outcome this side. So what it will do, it will make like this. So it will focus on the discrete outcome and show the variables as box plots or column chart. Then this way you can see the data, how many percentage observations are there for each discrete outcome. You can what you can do is that you can keep the discrete entry here and no target here, so it will show discrete entry outcomes, or you can only show a variable here, it will show histogram. You can select some other variable here, it will compare the data set. Okay, and if you can take maybe take same variable, what it will do, it will not show anything. You can take variable, so it is explaining two variables with each other. Okay, and focus on the total asset variable because it is shown here. Then you can do its overview. Here it will show its descriptive stats for all the variables. In data, it will show you the actual data. In explain, what it does is it can do a tree diagram, but since the data is too big, it will take time. So I will try to select a smaller data like this, and then if you press this one, it will create a report, and you can and it can be extracted. So you can see here the report was extracted and I have opened it. So it has shown me all the possible graphs that can be made by fixing that sector variable and comparing it with all other variables. Why? Because I have selected the sector as a target. So it is showing me sector as a fixed outcome, fixed side, and all other variables one by one. So this is my EDA. So since there are too many, though it will be very small. So what you can do is that you can show one and then copy as an image or save as an image, so that you can use it in a big form. So if I select some small variable like here and then do the EDA, but the tree diagram will only work if your data is small, because it has to, and it will also take time to do the uh, tree diagram for it. So I have selected one variable and it is not making it. So if I select uh, two variables, it is giving error in the background. So it works if you have a data set small enough, I can show you in the Explore library that if you have a data with few observation, it will make the tree diagram, the scene tree here, so that you can check how one variable and the second variable are the second variable is dividing the first variable into different categories. So this is the new library that you can use to generate graphs for your data set, and because it's already built-in function, so it will increase your speed to generate standardized or generalized outcomes for all types of data sets. So you can expedite your output production. Thank you very much for watching.